Videos here at National Gear Repair. This is one of our Flender box that we redid for one of our clients out at the SeaWorld. This gearbox ran parallel with another gearbox out here. Follow me here. Both boxes run synchronized. However, Flender made a mistake back in 2008 and sent two boxes that ran to both directions. So what SeaWorld had us do was have us actually reconfigure one box from a configuration B to a configuration A. So basically the boxes are running in two different directions. So as you can see here, we had our guys do a total rebuild on it, new bearings, new seals. We had a problem with the coupling, so we had to get that shaft, we had to shrink that shaft with liquid nitrogen and heat up that coupling to about 280 degrees, and she went on perfectly. No hammers here, no hydraulic presses to damage parts. But while we're here, I'd like to show you some of our other equipment that we're repairing, we specialize in. One of our German dual extruders back there. That box will be disassembled. It'll be repaired with some new tandem thrust bearings. Just waiting on our thrust bearings coming in from Japan. Some of our yaw gearboxes for our windmill generation. These yaw boxes actually pivot the fans out in the Palm Springs area. This is another Flender gearbox that we're doing for one of our other customers out in Montana. Doing a total remanufacture. Get in here. Look at the shot of those gears. As you can see here, the gears are damaged or worn out. We will be manufacturing all new gearing, 8620 carburized and hardened. Then we're going to grind them to about Agma 12 once we're done. That process will take about 6 weeks once we actually start on it. And last but not least, I'd like to show you one of our large German dual extruders that we just got the approval on. We'll be making our own video tutorial for this gearbox itself, this project. I'd like to show you this here for a second. This is a Reifenhauser. This has a fluid coupling on the back that's leaking. So we're going to be disassembling this fluid coupling, repairing the shaft seal area, installing all new bearing seals, even the tandem thrust bearing, all while keeping these dual shafts perfectly balanced and perfectly in time. These shafts have to be perfect. There's no room for error. National Gear Repair has trained technicians knowing how to reassemble these boxes perfectly. And I know I said last, but I'm going to give you one more box here. This box is for one of the ports. This runs a gantry mini crane. Actually, one of the large gantry cranes. This box here, we're going to have to put all new bearings and seals. The gearing looks good here. We're just going to relap the gearing at about 1750 RPM. So, here at National Gear Repair, we specialize in rebuilding, reconditioning, and manufacturing all our own gearing in-house. Nothing is subcontracted out. Spiral bevel, helical, herringbone, split herringbone, spur, and more. National Gear Repair specializes in 24-hour rush repair. We keep a large inventory of bearings and seals in stock for extruder boxes, for right angle drives like Marley, Hanson, Philadelphia, Amarillo and so forth, Durand and so forth. The list goes on and on and on. So we're a specialty company. We're not that I'm bad-mouthing anybody. We're not just a general machine shop. We specialize in industrial rotating equipment. We have trained factory certified representatives, technicians, and mechanics here. This is why I have the ability to warranty all my work for 24 months from the date of install. So once we complete this box or any of our equipment, and once the client receives it, the actual warranty starts when they put it in production. Not while it sits on a shelf, not while it sits in their boneyard, not while it sits in their storage room. It actually starts when they drop it in production. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you and have yourself a great day.